Today, I've got a direct and concise guide for you on how to create a TikTok ads agency account. So, let's dive right in. To get started, head to Google and search for TikTok for Business. Click on the link and look for the Create Now button. You have two options: create your account using your email or phone number. I'll go with the email option. Fill in your email, create a password, and you're good to go. After hitting the Sign Up button, check your email for the verification code. Enter the code to proceed. Next, provide basic business info like your business name, industry, country, currency, time zone, and phone number. TikTok will send another verification code via SMS to your phone. Confirm it to move forward. If your business is VAT registered, enter your tax ID. Choose between automatic payment, where TikTok handles payments, or manual payment, where you add balance manually before running ads. Click Go to Ads Manager. But wait, your job isn't done yet. Go to Tools, select Account Setup, and edit your business information. Provide details like your business website, state, province, postal code, and street address. Save the changes. Wait for about 24 hours for TikTok to review your account. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell for notifications. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy advertising on TikTok.